Hello, friends. Good afternoon. First of all, let me wish you and your family the best wishes, best regards on this auspicious occasion of Moha Ashtami. This is a very special time for us, those who are in Bengal and in Kolkata. This is Durga Puja. And so, best wishes from my side on this occasion of Durga Puja. So I hope it's you get blessings from Ma and your trading also becomes better than ever. So this is my regular video that I'm try to do because there has been multiple requests also from students and from general public that I try to make regular videos on commodities, on what is happening. Commodity remains an area of my specialty. So I largely look at through it to the daily chart broadly, which is more suitable to my trading. And commodity, I do technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. But this one I'm representing more on the technical side of the game. And technical analysis के लिए I use my own fountain of gold setup for trading. But याद रखिएगा, even if you are benefiting from watching this video, ट्रेडिंग एक ऐसा चीज है किसी का दूसरे का सुन के नहीं करना चाहिए. You can learn, you can read books, you can borrow other setup, like you can subscribe for my Fountain of Gold setup, go for it. There are associated classes, but try to make your own decisions. If not, if you're following others, that's a major problem. And one of the major hindrance, एक बहुत बड़ा हिंड्रेंस है आपका सक्सेसफुल ट्रेडिंग में, कि किसी का भी दूसरे का सुन के आपको जो अच्छा लगे, शायद आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आए, बाद में शायद आप 2-3 1 साल बाद यूट्यूब देगा और थोड़ा सीखेंगे. बट किसी का सुन के ये आदमी बोल रहा है ये मैं ट्रेड लिया हूं, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. ये वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट वे to lose all your, because then you need me or somebody else to tell you about exit, right? I'm just sharing this video so that the students who are associated with me or those who use the Fountain of Gold setup can learn, can use them effectively, or have an idea ki what I'm thinking. I'm anyway थोड़ा lower weightage हूँ trading में right now because I'm celebrating the Durga Puja. And it's not that I always make profit. Right? Recently, I made a small loss. I'm going to discuss about it. It's part of the commodity trade anyway. So let's start with, and you'll understand that's what's the purpose of just when the setup, when things are looking, say, happening, we need to tend to start small when more confidence is coming up. So this was an entry opportunity. We can open this. This is the S&P GSCI, which is showing the overall commodity mood remains positive, but GSCI remains heavily influenced by crude oil. So crude oil ka recent run has obviously given a push to the overall GSCI index. Now we'll take a closer look at through the MCX base metal chart. Base metal chart. First, let's take a look at copper. What I'll plan to do in copper, let me hide this. If I need, I'll bring the line chart. I never use the candle on it, except for watching the spikes. So this was on copper, a sell signal. After that, a correction is happening. So copper good buy run is over, looks like it's more of a consolidation. 64% chance कि ये consolidate करेगा. Let us have a full red candle or let us have short trend bearish, ये alert डाल देंगे for copper. Then it will look for quite a drop. कुछ noise आ सकता है because it's Durga Puja, heavy traffic. We remain keep pendle hopping to 3 a.m. at night. So almost at 12 a.m. at night लगता है कि अरे ये तो शाम का टाइम है, 7-8 o'clock. इतना ट्रैफिक और इतना लोग रहते हैं रास्ते में. So some sound may come up, still sound will be low. That's why I've chosen this afternoon time. Otherwise possible ही नहीं होता वीडियो करना. So ये मैं एरो से दिखाया था कि कैसे एंट्री करना है into one for analysis. This is positive after correction. Aluminium made a strong comeback in This is very positive that we can go long the aluminium. And if I'm planning to go long, this will be the stop loss one has to go start with. This has been a solid jump. Now these are levels 243, which are key levels aluminium may test. So this is the level where we'll have to put our stop loss to start with. If we are going for this, let's once it moves one or two candle into positive, then we can move towards the min stop, which is much more reasonable at the moment. So this is why when we start, let's see, we start small. As the profit build up, we add further quantity on it. So aluminium looks like aluminium is starting up. It has made a good comeback. It's up 1.6%. Let's look at zinc. Zinc trying to make a comeback. Zinc is candle-wise, not a aluminium candle looks more solid. Zinc is about came back. Zinc stop is around 279 of candle bottom, which is max stop is shown here. Now, overall, this looks candle-wise fine. Now, at the time of the closing, or if the criterias are all fine, we can go long this one. And aluminium, if we can see 61% is the buy trade win probability, whereas zinc has a little higher, 68% win projected win probability that this trade could be a successful one. Now, the aluminium and zinc we have seen, they are making a comeback. These are new trade opportunities. Lead not such my favorite counter to trade. One can, if you feel comfortable, be my guest. आपको जैसा पसंद है वैसा ट्रेडिंग कीजिए. मेरा सुन के करना नहीं चाहिए. मेरा जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. So this is lead anyway. हमारा जो range expected था उसी में है lead right now. So lead is not a counter, and nickel we do not trade. Now MCX for precious metals, we do not much take a look at MCX. We need to look at the international देखना ही पड़ेगा, whereas base metal के लिए भी आप consult कर सकते हो, but base metal के is still fine. But given the liquidity level of gold and silver, we need to have a look at the international chart. So international chart after this is where I talked about a marginal loss. Say I told you this is, so one has to start with small, and that's what I did. But now with the background turning green, though my candle, my stop loss is 2658, but background green, first job is not to make the money, but protect the money. So I have to learn to take the best losses. If I get another opportunity, I will. Or if I get another break below this, that will be an opportunity. But future, I don't know. So since I don't know, first I will go for let's cut the risk. Then I'll see what happens. Maybe buying will come. With now exited, I'll be better prepared to buy gold. I've shorted means there is no ego that I cannot or chalo long nahi kar sakta. Nobody will. It's my trading. I can do whatever I want. So first is the risk management. जब दिख रहा है कि यहाँ पे things are not going well, you tried a break, now you get out quickly when things are not going well. Maybe in future when it does well, you'll have a better entry point. So now I'll remain exited in gold and I'll go party now. After this video, our party is going to about to start. So I will remain till whole night, till almost 3 a.m., 4 a.m. till we'll continue to party. Party means that could be pandal hopping and lots of fantastic enjoyment I'm expecting again today. So this is US crude oil WTI is green. We can remain long. Crude remains actually highly sensitive to news. Anything can happen, but it has been one of the top outperforming class. So rather than going for MCX, it would be advisable to go for the ETF, really keep our lower leverage at this point because crude remains sensitive. Crude can go up, but some tough resistances are there. So I'll remain on the lighter side on the crude, and because if this is a good trade, It will not end in one day. It will continue for very long. So crude overall remains positive. Selling का कोई plan ही नहीं है as per daily time frame. So crude I'll prefer to remain with the ETF. Natural gas, on the other hand, given a sell signal, low probability sell, so one can remain. One would have shorted this with smaller quantity. I did not get a good opportunity to short. Even with the ETF, a low risk entry, great point, not much such. So I'll have to wait in NG once the background turns red or a new break lower, giving more confidence or and higher probability, I will go for the short side. With candle, unless green, I will not consider any kind of buy trades. So that's all on the commodity side, friends. I hope this video was helpful. Agar helpful, don't forget to keep a thumbs up. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.